Hey guys, Numbers 12 here. Today I have this 1982 Casablanca 4-season ceiling fan. Um, this fan is pretty much completely rewired and even has a new K55 motor out of an 89 Delta 2, all done by me. It was slumber quiet when I got it, but I converted it to variable speed, as you can see. This fan has some issues still. The motor stalls out when running kind of okay speeds. Sometimes the chain doesn't even start it, so I don't know. I was honestly just thinking of converting it to free speed, but I don't know. Kind of like it how it is. Anyway, we'll start with, I'll show you the low right off. By the way, this is the low, this is about, okay, let me show you here. It can go about here without stalling out after a little while. But, I can sometimes get to start up going really slow. It won't stay like that. It'll get up to speed, and after a while it will be going an actually good amount of speed and then stall out. So I really don't know what's going on, but it's pretty much restored, besides the canopy having some paint on it. Honestly, if it is ever just going to get used for medium to high speeds, it'll be fine. So, or slightly low speed. Anyway, I'll take it to the low speed I can functionally run it on without it stalling, which is about there. This is the original pull chain, by the way. Not the fob, or not the tassel, that's not original, but, you know. This light kit is also not like Casablanca genuine, you know. Actually, that's a hole right here. But the chain controls both the fan light, so. Bring it upward of medium low. This also, I mean, it could also be because it has short blades on it, so I don't really know. I'd call it medium low. Go to about medium high. And yes, this thing flies. Let's go to high low. More of a high. Okay, all the way. This thing hauls. Turn off. It's just a fan with no light. Just a light. Fan with light. Anyway, thanks for watching. And, by the way, I usually have it set to around. By the way, it still has a sound flex flywheel, but it usually set to around there. There. which if you compare it, once it gets up to speed here, to late Delta, this goes pretty much faster, I think. I don't know. But, anyway, thanks for watching. Hope I'll see you next time.